Hey everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Tyla Beauty Lip Plumper. So, quick disclaimer, everything here is based on online research and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Okay, so according to Tyla Beauty's website, the lip plumper range includes a 1 ml instant filler, a 2 ml extreme instant filler, and a 3 ml liquid syringe plumper, priced between $40 to $55. These products are formulated with ingredients like collagen, marine spears, avocado and jojoba oils, and vitamin E to deliver immediate volume, improve elasticity, smooth fine lines, and hydrate lips. The site notes a strong tingling sensation is normal and even signals the product is working. Independent reviews, example Zero with Thought, raised concerns about the site's legitimacy, noting it was only registered in April 2025 and lacks verifiable contact information or customer reviews. The site's no returns policy and short domain lifespan add caution flags. So while the product's claims are notable, trust signals remain weak. For the final verdict, the effectiveness, ingredients listed are typically lip plumpers and the tingling to plump mechanism is plausible. For the confidence, lack of long-term reviews, contact information, and return options reduce credibility. For the risk reward, if you're curious and okay with possible strong sensation, this could work, but be prepared for a pricey risk with no safety net. So, is it legit? Potentially yes, but with low reassurance. Without solid customer feedback or a reliable company foundation, caution is advised. Now, thank you for watching. If you tried Tala Beauty's Lip Plumper, share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.